Hey there! Do you want to get discounted vBucks in Fortnite? Woo! You clicked on the right video today because I'm going to show you in this video how you can get those vBucks discounted. And what's that last part there? Nope. You won't get banned. Well, that's another crazy intro for the books on this channel. April Fool's was a couple days ago. I'm being for real in this video. You guys can get vBucks for a discounted rate up to almost 50% off by following the method that I'll show you in this video. But before we get into it, I don't mention it too often, but if you want to further help out this channel, go ahead and use my supporter creator code in the Fortnite item shop. MidnightMan55 is the code. So that way, anytime you buy something in the item shop, a portion of that purchase will come back to me to help your boy out. All right, guys, on to this tutorial on getting those discounted vBucks. The first thing you guys want to do is go to the Epic Games site and create a brand new Epic Games account. You can do this by simply selecting the sign up link at the bottom of the initial login screen. From here, just complete the rest of the mandatory fields and you'll have your new account created. After you're logged in with that new account, go into your account settings. In the General tab, scroll down and you will see the country region drop-down option. You'll want to change this to Brazil instead of the default one that you have assigned. This is the main reason why you needed to create a new Epic account, because if you tried to use your main account, you'd have to contact Epic support to change your region. And I know none of us want to deal with trying to reach out to support. So once you have that done, launch Fortnite on your computer and log into your Epic account. Once the game is loaded and you're in the lobby, you can go over to the vBucks tab where you will see that the price of the vBucks is in Brazilian currency, which means in this case that the converted rate is going to be cheaper than you would get for USD, the pound, euro, etc. You guys want me to prove it to you? All right, check this out. The price of the most expensive vBucks, which will run you $100 in United States currency, but the cost in Brazilian currency is 307 Brazilian real, which in the United States dollar will be $58.40, guys. Look at the conversion, it's right there in front of you. It's not $100. This is insane. It's almost 50% off of the cost you normally have to pay. If you guys are curious what the other vBuck package conversions are, I'll throw them up on screen right now. Look how much cheaper they are compared to what you'd be paying in United States dollar. Just for the video here, I'll buy 5,000 vBucks, which is 123 Brazilian real, which will convert to about $24 instead of having to pay $40. Guys, this is so much cheaper. Like, this is what we should be paying for it, or if not less, honestly. Here's my PayPal receipts to prove it. I only paid 24 bucks, guys, where normally I'd have to spend 16 more to get 5,000 vBucks. I was granted my vBucks successfully on this secondary account, and now what I can do is gift everything that I buy on this account to my main account by just adding myself as a friend and turning on two-factor authentication, which can be done in your password settings tab within your Epic account. But keep in mind here, guys, if you're going to add yourself as a friend so you can gift yourself things, you'll have to be friends with yourself for approximately 3 days before you can do that. As you can see, I'm able to buy items on my secondary account and gift them to my main Fortnite account without a problem. I did try testing this out though on mobile and console, but that doesn't work as the currency value is set at the system level. What do I mean by that? Well, if you buy vBucks using the iOS version of Fortnite, you'll be using whatever payment method or currency is set up through your Apple ID. The last thing I want to remind you guys here is that this is a real feature in Fortnite, so you don't have to worry about getting banned for this. So there you guys have it. It's as easy as having a secondary account set to Brazil, and you'll have their currency instead of the United States or the British pound or the euro to make your purchase. It comes out quite a bit cheaper than if you stayed in your local currency. But that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit it with the big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And don't forget to use my supporter creator code. Maybe tweet it to me or send me an Instagram message of a screenshot of you buying something with my code in the item shop, and I will give you a shout out in one of my videos. So there's a little something extra for you. The sun is getting lower and lower here. I think I need to go for a walk. It's healthy to get some sunlight. Of course, you got to keep your distance from people because it's just this day and age right now. You don't want to get those viruses and get all sick. No, thank you. But I need to get some fresh air. And don't smoke cigars, people. I know I had it in the beginning of the video just as a cringy prop, but I just have it as a prop. I'm not smoking it. I want my lungs. You see people using ventilators out here. You want to be able to breathe for yourself, okay? So don't smoke, people. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.